So this is my first time, and I'm gonna show around this house. It's not actually my house, it's someone's house. So I'm just gonna show you around the house.
Who's someone?
My grandma's house. Now come on. Now this is the living room, which is downstairs because it's a living room downstairs. We're gonna go here. Okay, this is the basement, called the workshop. This is where we're going on live.
Huh?
We're on live. And then let's go. Now I just want to show that it kind of looks creepy, but it's not that much creepy. And then here it is, and then we're going to make a tent. Well, I'm just gonna play my Legos after I show you around the house. That's the bathroom over there. And there's the bed down there, which you see, it's over here. And by the way, that's the bed. By the way, this is my dad's office right here. And this is where the table is. And then this machine is broken. It used to work, but it's broken now. And here's a treadmill. By the way, I'm just gonna exercise on it. Come on. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Now there's a bunch of people. We are on YouTube recording.
Oh, great.
And here's 3 people right here. And we're going to go to the kitchen, which is here.
Who's he recording? We had a delicious dinner, didn't we, Evan?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me.
Now,
She does.
now we're going to go outside.
What about the rest of the house?
Well, they might have. Now we're going to go here. And then there's Tracy.
Yep.
Now we're going to go down here.
Hey, look who's down here. Curly.
Oh, Nicholas! Nick, we're on YouTube recording, okay?
Oh.
I just want to let you know. Now let's go downstairs, okay, everybody? Let's go downstairs. And then this one is concrete, so I don't have any shoes. So when my feet's gonna get dirty, but we're gonna go down here.
Hi.
Now my dad is working on a lamp. A thing that goes on the uncle. Now we're gonna go back inside because those are my toys, and then they promised you to play with Legos, so we're gonna play with some Legos. I'm sorry there, guys. I just needed to do something. And here is some. So he goes right there. And he goes in the middle seat. Then the Ninja Turtle goes in the driver's seat. And then they rotate. They go over to the basement. And they land right there. Then they landed, and then Hulk's like, "Hey, what are you doing?" And then they decided to let. And this is part 5. They go to the place. And then they want to go somewhere. Go somewhere special. That's where they landed. Then Hulk said, And then that's where he smashes. And they go, vroom. Hot speeded. Oh no, someone fell out.
Go ahead and edit this in. This is the 5-second subscribe challenge. Everybody go down and hit that subscribe button. Make it turn gray. Hit that like button. Make sure you drop a comment on this video. Tell us what we should do next. We're down for pretty much anything. And
Give me the camera.
hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Back to you.
I'm going to go upstairs. Hulk is hanging on to the back because he doesn't want to
The
fall.
other Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas. Where's
He clumps in.
Outside.
little Nicholas?
Outside.
Tracy, he'll drink
And then
Don't worry.
they
Don't worry. Don't worry.
where there's a golden unicorn and a golden bell. They didn't mean to up to want the food, so they gone somewhere else. They didn't mean to go, and then they're going to go outside. So they wanted to go outside. Well, they are going to go through. And then there they go. Up above. Now, they're going to go on the bike here, and then they drive on a magical pathway to the place of magic. They are going to open up the door sometime, and then let's see, open it up. Go outside again.
What are you doing, Evan? You just wandering around? You and Nicholas can talk to yourselves all day.
Go. They're going to go down. And then they're going on the rock. You're going to go on the rock. And then going right here. And then going on back.
Check out what Nicholas has.
Nicholas
Right here,
has-
we got Joseph the lizard. Yeah, he's a nice little lizard. He's actually missing a tail. So something tried to get this little guy. Oh,
Oh, Joseph the lizard just died.
No, he didn't.
he's not. I think he's playing dead on me because he opens his eyes and moves his arms and stuff. But get a closer look. He's actually got some pretty cool stripes. And yeah, he doesn't have a tail, as you can see. Something tried to eat him, maybe like a bird or something.
Do we call that Joseph the sleeping lizard?
Joseph, a maybe possibly dead lizard. So
All right, Evan. Tell your YouTubers. Say tune in next time. Give me a big
No.
thumbs up.
Now, let's try to hit this to 1 billion subscribers.
Yeah.
So leave a like, click that notification bell, and then give us a big subscriber bell.
and try to get this video to, how many likes should we get it to?
1,000 billion trillion.
How about 1,000 likes? We'll try to get it to 1,000 likes.
They get 1,000 likes, and Nicholas will eat that lizard.
1,000 likes in a week. I'll eat this lizard.
Lifetime.